Welcome back, guys. It's the Tightwaddiy. I just finished adjusting the water pressure in my home. If you want to see how I did that, click the video in the top corner here. If you have a closed system, you also have what's called an expansion tank, and today I'm going to show you how to properly adjust the pressure in your expansion tank so that your system works properly. Guys, I can't stress this enough. Many videos on YouTube show you the improper way to check your expansion tank and to feel the pressure. The first step is getting a water pressure gauge like this and opening a hose bib or water spigot that you know is regulated, meaning it's the same system that's in your house, not the one from the road. You can see I have this one dialed in at about 65 PSI. So now we know we need to adjust the expansion tank to be 65 PSI as well. Go ahead and turn off the water and disconnect this pressure gauge because you're done with it. And then the next step, you're going to be draining the water from this bib anyway. On the bottom of this, there's simply a plastic cover that unscrews. That reveals this valve stem, which is common to see on bicycle tires, lawnmower tires, or automobile tires. We're going to check the pressure in our tank, but first, to do that, we need to turn off the main cutoff valve for our home and drain all the water using the spigot outside. The purpose of this system is whenever the water expands from being heated in the water heater, it can overflow into here because we have a closed system. It has no way to get back through these valves into the main water system. So this has a diaphragm inside that takes up about half of the tank, and we need to make sure that the PSI in that diaphragm matches the PSI in our water system. This is just a standard air gauge, and you can see my air pressure is very low in here. It should have been around 40 PSI. So I'm going to take an air chuck connected to a compressor, and I'm going to put some air in here. If you don't have an air compressor, you can use a bicycle pump also. I continued adding small amounts of air to the tank until I got up to 65 pounds of pressure. Now I just need to screw the protective plastic cap back onto the valve stem so it doesn't get damaged. Thank you so much for making it to the end of the video. It'd be awesome if you'd click that logo in the bottom left-hand corner to subscribe to my channel, and maybe even check out one of my other videos shown on the right. As always, I hope you guys have a great day.